Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, me are telling my viewers and subscribers, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. Mobay, St. James, again and again, my people. Zine, I know say another first when you hear my talk, so when I say again and again, especially when I cover a story on St. James side. Because now, my people, another double murder has struck down at St. James again. Another one, Zine, because it seemed like, oh my gosh, every time, my people, is a double thing going on there. See, because the thing is, my people, and a lot of people don't understand, the youth them not listen, the youth them not learn, my people. When I try to tell the youth them and put in at them heads, so look at them, man, lower the dial thing, lower the gang thing, my people, them not listen. You understand? And this is why you see so much of them are get caught up and so much of them are dead. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, I have an article now, my viewers and subscribers, based on an incident that occurred yesterday, my people, which was the last day in a May. You understand? So, on Wednesday, May the 31st, my people, 2023, this incident occurred in one place, then called him Roehampton in a St. James, my people, leaving two young men dead. One just 23 and one 20, my people. Look who you them, not living a life yet. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, right about now, my people, I have an article. I'm just going to read it so I can get a full understanding of what them say go on down, my people, involving these two youths. So, just listen to this, my people, as I go through and read it so I can understand. The two men who were shot and killed during a home invasion by unknown gunmen in Roehampton, St. James on Wednesday night have been identified. The deceased, both of Roehampton address, RR, 23-year-old Linston Anderson and 20-year-old Tavar Doman. Reports are that shortly after 11 p.m., the police were summoned after residents heard explosions coming from a section of the community. Upon their arrival, the police found Anderson and Doman in a house suffering from gunshot wounds. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The men were transported to hospital where they were pronounced dead. It was the second murderous incident in the community since the start of the week. On Tuesday, 33-year-old Glenroy Gray, otherwise called DJ Presser, was shot and killed by unknown assailants at a shop in the community. Jaja knows, my people. So this is what I go on now, my people. And me not lie now, although them say you cannot judge a book by cover, my people. But seeing the pictures of these young men, my people, and look upon them, you understand, especially the one there on the markets. You know what I mean, my people, and thing, boy, them thing I make you have to just thinking, my people. Zine, markets are crown away in the pan, any one of them card, my people. Them thing I make you have to think twice. You know what I mean? Because my viewers and my subscribers, everybody know. The police, them state it, them talk about it, the investigations and everything. We are going with them, double something, you know, my people. And every time I heard about them, my people, they can explain and tell us, say, all of these things come from dialing. Every time you hear dialing. Because what? The people them not listen, my viewers and subscribers. The youth them not learn. You understand, them just feel for understand. Low out certain things. Me understand that things may be rough, it may be tough, but boy, the dialing thing, my people, and the gang thing with the guns and this. You know what I mean? Them not live no life. I talk it over and over. Why the sense? Me get some money, me can buy a fat car, buy a whole heap of shoes, you know what I mean, party, go with a whole heap of woman and enjoy this and that, but what, if me can do it for 2 or 3 years, then me I go dead after. Does it make sense to people? A life, me say, and this is what I want the youth them for pray and understand. Life are the greatest, you understand? Life are the greatest time and patience, but see them, the youth them that say, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Big up on yourself, more love, more respect in my people, and more blessings, and just be safe and just continue to do the right thing, my people. But all I can say, yo, the youth them just dash them lives, my people, on a daily basis. No, sir. Peace out, my people. Peace out. Blessings.